Hi, this is ViWizard channel. Today, I'll tell you what to do when Spotify songs grayed out. Before we get into what's going on, I want you to figure out why Spotify songs are grayed out or unplayable. This issue might be the copyright and licensing agreements, geographic restrictions, unstable network, active offline mode, blocked content, or overloaded caches. Now, it is time to learn the fixes for this problem. Fix 1. Confirm a stable internet connection. You can re-establish the network on your phone or computer. Go to Settings and select WLAN. Disconnect the current Wi-Fi and reconnect it after a few seconds. Or you can use the more stable cellular data. Fix 2. Clear Spotify cache. Overloaded caches need to be cleared to ensure a smooth listening. On your Android or iPhone, launch the Spotify app and head to Settings. Scroll down to the Storage section and you will see the Clear Cache option. Then confirm your action to clear Spotify caches. On your computer, click your profile and settings. Scroll down to the Storage section and hit on the Clear Cache button. Fix 3. Log out of Spotify account. Signing out and then signing back in can resolve most playback issues by refreshing your library. Spotify mobile app, head to Settings from the upper right corner, scroll down to the bottom and hit on the Logout button. On the Spotify desktop app, hit on your profile icon. You will find the Logout option. Fix 4. Disable the offline mode. If you enable the offline mode, all undownloaded songs would be grayed out. On your mobile device, open Spotify settings and find the Playback tab to turn off the offline mode. On PC, click the upper left 3 dots and select File then Offline Mode. On Mac, click Spotify in the Apple menu and unselect Offline Mode. Fix 5. Unblock the artist or song. Once block or hide specific songs or artists, the songs will be grayed out. To unblock a song, go into the playlist where songs are grayed out. And tap the More options to view the artist you've blocked. Tap the circle with a minus sign inside it to unblock it. Then back to the playlist and you will find the songs are playable. Fix 6. Force stop the Spotify app. Spotify songs grayed out might be the Spotify app itself. Hence, on your mobile device, swipe up from the bottom to open the task interface. Locate Spotify and swipe upwards on it to close Spotify. On PC, just click the cross icon to quit the Spotify app. On Mac, from the Apple menu find Spotify and select Quit. After trying the above methods, the issue would be fixed. If not, you can try to download and back up Spotify songs to avoid the unplayable issue. To do so, all you need is ViWizard Spotify Music Converter. Launch ViWizard Spotify Music Converter and it will open Spotify. On Spotify, find and locate whatever you want to back up. Then drag and drop it to the downloading window of ViWizard. Once the song is uploaded, click the menu icon from the upper right and select Preferences. Switch to the Convert section on the new window. From here, you can change the output format. Select the channel. Adjust the sample rate and change the bit rate. If necessary, select the archive way you like. And then click OK to save your settings. When everything is ready, hit on the Convert button. ViWizard will start downloading Spotify at a 5x speed. After conversion, go to the converted history list to view them. Or use the search icon to open the location. Now, you've backed Spotify songs up and the Unplayable issue won't trouble you.